Hi, and welcome. According to Yahoo Finance and the IRS, the average millionaire has 7 streams of income. And that's why today we're discussing 4 side hustles that actually work and make real money. To be honest, I'm surprised that no other creators are talking about this. I'm not talking about the $10 a day gig for online surveys that take 15 hours to complete. That's a pathetic return on investment. I'm talking about side hustles that can actually make you wealthy. Now, if you stick around, I'll reveal to you a guarded secret that can actually make you a millionaire in a very short space of time. Before I get into our hustles, there's one thing I want to say. You see, to succeed at side hustles, or any business for that matter, you need to approach them with the right mentality. And this mentality is, I want to solve a problem. Money seems to have a mind of its own, and it tends to follow solutions to problems. The opportunities that we're discussing today solve problems for 2 groups of people. One, people with money but no time. The second is people with money but have physical challenges. If you approach side hustles or business in this way, you won't have to spend countless hours searching and trying to figure out what side hustles work for you. It's just easier to figure out the needs of the people around you, especially the needs of a demographic that can actually pay you. Without further ado, let's get into it. Now, in no particular order, the first side hustle on my list is being a line sitter. Yeah, you heard me right. Line sitters can make anything from $100 to $2,000 a day. I mean, depending on the gig and the amount of time, of course. But if you're not familiar with line sitting, this is when a person gets and holds a position in a queue on behalf of somebody else for a payment. During Donald Trump's trial, people were getting paid up to $1,800 just to hold the line for a few hours. In this report from USA Today, the minimum rate was actually $50 an hour. The closer you were to the front, obviously, the more you made. Now, admittedly, these opportunities are fairly fewer and further apart, but they are more regular line sitting gigs. For example, you can line sit at government document offices like the DMV. These are daily gigs. Or at concerts and sports games or theme parks. See, some of these events work on a first to arrive basis. This is because they don't want interruptions from latecomers during proceedings. So most people of means do not want to have to get to somewhere hours early just to get a good seat. They'll pay line holders to do so instead. I live in Los Angeles, where people are willing to pay line holders a good amount of money at theme parks like Disney. Fast passes at Disney, if you didn't know, they're getting more and more saturated and more expensive. It's just better to get somebody else to hold the line for you while you enjoy a different ride. Another place is at new and limited product releases, like for the new PlayStation or for the new iPhone. You get the idea. By the way, I'm doing this free of charge. I will not be selling you a course at the end. So please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It helps the channel out. Also, please share this with somebody that might need it. Thank you in advance. The second side hustle on my list is being a furniture assembler. According to Glassdoor, furniture assemblers make anything from $40,000 to $50,000 a year. Furniture assemblers are, as the name suggests, people who are hired to assemble furniture. If you've ordered any furniture online, you know how challenging and annoyingly time-consuming this can be. If my hour is worth $100, it'll be very unwise for me to spend 5 hours putting together a couch that I can pay somebody else $50 an hour to do. They'll probably do a better job in less time too. Some people might be frail or older, or have other physical challenges. They'll happily pay somebody else to do it. Now, to get these jobs, you can advertise for free on Craigslist or on Facebook and other platforms. My third side hustle can actually be done even if you have 0 followers or subs. And this is a unique way of doing affiliate marketing. Now, if you didn't know, affiliate marketing is basically when a company allows you to market their product on their behalf, and they'll pay you a commission for every sale or lead that comes through you. They give you a special, unique link that your leads can use to ensure that you get the commissions. Now, in this side hustle, you're actually going to do it the easiest and quickest way that also drastically increases your conversion rate. So you can sign up for a site like ClickBank, for example, and get an affiliate link for a weight loss product. There are lots of products in this niche that pay over $100 per conversion. That means if just 10 people buy, you've already made $1,000. You then scroll on Instagram for people with amazing weight loss stories, then contact them and ask them to share your product with your link for a fee. I've noticed that people outside the US tend to be a lot cheaper than people in the US, and I think this is because the US dollar translates well in their local currencies. So let's say you find somebody that has 10 to 15,000 followers and you get this product, for example. If 100 people buy, which is less than 1% of their followers, if 100 people buy, you can make almost $15,000. This is for less than 1% conversion. You can obviously rinse and repeat this as many times as you want. You can find as many creators as you want. Let's say you get 5 creators with approximately the same conversion metrics. That's 5 times 15,000, which is $75,000 on just one product. Now, if this video gets 1,000 likes, I will make another video showing exactly how to do this step by step. I'll show you how I do it. I'll reveal everything. So please like and share so we can get the numbers there. I won't sell you any courses on it. I will explicitly reveal everything. Now, side hustle number 4 is YouTube content creation. Contrary to popular belief, YouTube is not saturated. There are hundreds of niches and there are multiple ways of expressing yourself in each niche, and you are unique. Just be consistent and constantly improving. You can make thousands of dollars even before you get monetized. I mean, you can do everything from print on demand to affiliate marketing. You can do these before you get monetized. You actually have the advantage of keeping 100% of your profits if you're not monetized yet. This is because YouTube takes a 30% cut off of the revenue of monetized creators for any e-commerce that happens through their site. So stop overthinking, stop over planning, just start. You will suck in the beginning, and that's just part of the journey. Embrace the cringe. Everyone goes through it. Just do it. Now, as promised at the beginning of this video, here's an obscure secret hustle, fairly secret, that could potentially make you millions of dollars. Now, did you know that you can buy a domain name from places like Namecheap for $1 and you can resell it for hundreds of thousands of dollars, even millions? Here's the proof. This is something called domain flipping. Look at these domains that have sold for millions of dollars. We have a full video on this, so please go check it out. You're gonna thank us later. Now, as always, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe so we can be able to make more videos like this and give value for free, for absolutely free. Now go make that paper.